Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your password on Robinhood. For those who do not know, Robinhood is a popular investment platform that lets users buy and sell stocks, ETFs, crypto and options all from your phone or web browser. It's simple, beginner friendly and designed for anyone to start investing, but sometimes we forget passwords or do need to reset them, and that's what we'll cover today. First, you need to open to the Robinhood. You can open to the Google Chrome web browser or any of the other browser. And after that, when you reach into this interface on the top, you can see there's a search bar. Type down robinhood.com and make sure to enter it. Over here, you'll reach into this interface of the Robinhood official account. On the top right, we can see there's an option for the login. Select to the login. Over here into this login interface, what you can do is type down your email or password. And if you have forgotten it, what you can do is you can select to this help. Over here, select I forgot my password. So here, type down your email address and make sure it's the same email you sent while signing it up, and otherwise the resend won't work. And after that, you can select send email. And after that, Robinhood will send you an email with a password reset link. To check that, you can go to the another tab and type down gmail.com and enter it. And over here in the Gmail, you can see there's an option for the Robinhood. Right here, what you can do, you can select this reset link in the email from the Robinhood. And over here, you'll be redirected to a page where you can create a new password. Type down your new password and make sure to confirm that. Make sure your password is strong, unique and secure. Use a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. And after setting your new password, you can select this reset password. And right here, we just see the Robinhood password updated. And after setting a new password, you can go back to the Robinhood app or the website and log in with your new credentials. Your account is now accessible and you can continue trading or managing your investment safely. And that's how you reset your Robinhood password easily. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.